Hi guys, welcome to my channel Shimmers and Polishes. Hope you all are doing well. And if you're new here, I create eye makeup, nail art, crocheting and DIY videos. So welcome to Shimmers and Polishes, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon next to it for notifications. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create this easy, what I called lavender love eye makeup look. Beautiful lavender shade with a pop of green in the inner corner. And if you're interested, then please keep on watching. To begin with, I'm going to prime my lids with LA Girls concealer in the shade medium beige, and I'm going to blend that well, and I'm not setting that concealer. I'm going to go and use Morphe's 35B palette and this beautiful lavender shade called Deep Diving from the same palette on a flat shader brush, and I'm going to apply that all over my lid, and I'm going to keep on applying layers of this shade till I'm happy with the color payoff. I'm going to go with the shade called Wild Berry from the same 35B Colourpop palette as my transition shade on a fluffy blending brush, and I'm going to blend that all well. So guys, I really love easy eye makeup looks, so I have created many one eyeshadow eye makeup looks with a pop of color in the inner corner, so do check my channel out for that. And next, I'm going to use LA Girls concealer in the shade medium beige once again as my under eye dark circle to cover my under eye dark circles. I'll allow it to get a little tacky. Until then, I will do my brows with Sugar's Brow Definer in the shade Cherry Brown, and I'm going to just fill in the sparse areas of my brows because I love natural eyebrows. And next, I'm going to blend that concealer well, and I'm going to set that in place with Colourpop setting powder in the shade Translucent. I'm going to use the same lavender shade on my low waterline as well, and I'm going to blend that all well. And next, I'm going to go with the same Wild Berry shade, and I'm going to blend that both so that it looks nice and well blended. Next, I'm going to use the Balm's Mary Luminizer as my brow bone highlight, and for my inner corners, I'm going to use this NY Sugar Trip Squat palette, and I'm going to use that beautiful bright orangey green, oh my god, green yellow shade as my inner corner highlight. And I'm going to use Maybelline Gigi Hadid's Kohl line as my upper waterline, and for my low waterline, I'm going to use Nicka K's Royal Purple liner, and I'm going to use this dark purple shade called Royal Purple from the palette as my eyeliner because I want to keep it as simple and as easy as possible. Next, I'm going to curl my lashes with a curler, and I'm going to apply Maybelline's Hyper Volume Express mascara. You can go ahead and add falsies if you would like to. I know I fumble a lot, guys, so I'm really sorry, and I speak really fast. And voila, this is the final look, you guys. Beautiful lavender shade with a pop of neon green in the inner corners, perfect for any occasion. I hope you enjoy watching this tutorial. If you did, don't forget to comment, like, share and subscribe to my channel Shimmers and Polishes. And guys, there are many more videos on my channel, less than 5 minutes, so please take 5 minutes out of your busy schedule and watch my videos and show some love by subscribing to my channel. I hope you will subscribe to my channel and show my channel some love. And until next time, you all take care. Bye bye.